Stop saying it's anxiety. It's not. It's fear, dressed up in a word you've convinced yourself makes it okay to stay weak. You use anxiety like a shield, a reason to avoid, a reason to scroll, a reason to do nothing. Here's the truth. Everyone feels anxious. The difference? Some people move through it. You just let it own you. Harsh? Good. You need to hear it. You cancel plans, avoid hard conversations. You won't take risks. And every time you say, "I have anxiety," you're silently giving yourself permission to stay stuck. But let's be real, you don't have anxiety. Anxiety has you, and you're letting it control your entire fucking life. Here's a truth no one tells you. Your anxiety isn't always chemical. Sometimes it's just cowardice in disguise. Let that sink in. You're afraid of failure, of judgment, of effort. So instead of confronting it, you wrap it in a diagnosis and call it your identity. But listen, you're not broken. You're just comfortable being stuck. The world won't slow down because your nerves are tight. Opportunity doesn't pause because your chest feels heavy. What you need isn't another mental health quote. You need to do the shit you're afraid of while you're still afraid. You want power over anxiety? Start acting in spite of it. One hard conversation, one awkward step, one moment of courage at a time. Because avoidance is what feeds it. Action is what starves it. You're not too anxious. You're just too passive. So what are you going to do today? Hide again or take your fucking power back?